Okay, a lot of people recently asking me about the AI stack or how I configure my AI for my daily and work productivity setup. So here it is. I'm explaining in English so in general context people can understand whether they are from Indonesia or some of my colleagues while I was in Taiwan or a lot of people out there. So let me explain for you. So basically speaking, I could divide the my workflow in AI into the local one and the VPS one. Well, here in the local one, I use my laptop here. So I'm using a MacBook, but it doesn't really matter what laptop are you using. On my laptop, this is me. So I'm using most of the time my AI runs on terminals within the apps called Ghost D. So Ghost D, this is terminals. So on Ghost D, it's on Mac. I think it's only runs on Mac, so I'm not sure about that. You can check it out. While in Ghost D, it open a program called p.dev. p.dev. So p.dev is the recently people call it as agent harness, but I'm not sure about that terms. So p.dev is basically the interface that I'm talking with. So behind p.dev, oh, by the way, on Ghosty, I also runs something called Yazi. This is the file explorer. While on Yazi, I also integrate some markdown editor and a lot of stuff here. So basically, including NVim, like this. And yeah, let's continue from the pdev, and then the pdev connect to I could say distributor for the API or for the AI services, which called 9router. So 9router, I could say this is the distributor, or I don't know how to call it. So, and then from 9router, mostly I'm using two services, which is three services, which is Copilot and then DeepSeek platform. So the DeepSeek platform is the pay-as-you-go platform for me, and then Open Code Go. While in here in Open Code Go, they also provide DeepSeek. So mainly I use DeepSeek Flash version 4 for almost everything, almost every task, and DeepSeek Pro only for planning things such as the initial stage of developing something. So I initially put some like planning on Markdown using the Pro, while the execution done by Flash version 4. What else? Oh yeah, on the pdev itself, it has some, I could say, skills such as browsing, and then exa is the tools for getting information from the internet, from the search engine. And then also in 9router they have like some extension, or I could say inside the 9router there are some tools such as Caveman and RTK, something like that. So this is the things that I did on my local. So I'm no longer using VS Code. Everything I when doing like text editing or syntax editing, I'm doing it on Nvim. While browsing and file exploring, I will do it on Yazi, something like that. While on my VPS site, so I'm interfacing with Telegram bot. So the Telegram connect to my VPS. I'm running on Tencent, Chinese brand, Chinese company, cloud provider. So this one is basically Lighthouse, I could say. I don't know what is Lighthouse, but it's similar like Ubuntu. I'm not really sure about that. I'm not really understand how they set up the OS on the VPS. But anyway, from the VPS, I installed also 9 router. From 9 router, this one having the same API to the one that I use in my local, which is DeepSeek. Open code go, and yeah, just this one. I did not log into Copilot on my 9 router, and then from 9 router it connects to, oh wait, I think I did it wrong. Yep, so it should be like this. So here is Hermes agent. This is also the harness, the things that I called earlier for the PDEF. And then the Hermes agent connect to the 9 router. While 9 router will pass the request to the provider, to the API, which are DeepSeek and OpenCode Go. And then from 9 router, it's also goes to other things such as email client. This one is self-made. I made my own email client that integrates, because here's the issue, because I'm using mainly my office email, which is organization, education email. They don't have something like, I don't know, the token that can integrate to the Hermes agent, so I need to create my own email client, not email client, I could say, yeah, email client. So I log in into that email client, so that email client will pass the email to the 9 router. That's the thing. And also I connect this 9 router from, sorry, I think I did mistake. It should be here. Like this. And then from Hermes, it's also connect to WhatsApp bridge. The tool name is Baileys. So this one have a responsibility to taking care of my WhatsApp chat and pass it to Hermes agent. And then also I connect the Hermes agent to my personal wiki. This one is based on Karpati style wiki. So yeah, I think that's all my tech stack for now. For now I feel like it's quite satisfying to work on this stuff. So oh, by the way, also the Hermes agent can do cron job and automatically do some scheduled things for me daily, and it's really helpful. Yeah, if you wanna have some conversation, just send me a message, or you wanna ask specifically about something, you can directly DM to my account. Yep. Thank you.